Hello everyone, so today we are going to unbox this Crayola Marker Mixer. Now with this you can combine blank and standard markers and you can watch the marker colors mix. And then you can draw dual colored designs. So that seems like right up my alley. Okay, so let's open this up and we will see what is inside. Okay, so it looks like it comes with this marker mixer, a bunch of these nibs here that I think that you can put in here. So let me open the instructions. So it does come with some markers. Okay, let me do the reading. So it says the things that you do need that are not included is paper and 3 AAA batteries and a screwdriver. And I'm not sure what the batteries are for. Maybe it lights to that. Oh yeah, okay, so it's supposed to light up so you can kind of see when the colors are mixing. So that's what the batteries are for. Okay, so let me go get a screwdriver and some batteries and I will be right back. Okay, so you do need a Phillips screwdriver. And then the 3 batteries go in here. So first you're going to get a nib. And one of your blank markers, clear markers. And it says push a fresh tip into the clear barrel as shown until the end button pops all the way out, okay? So we're gonna push till the end button pops all the way out, okay? So it should look like that. Okay, and then we are going to choose any 2 marker colors and insert them into the base. So I will do purple. I'll do some of my favorites. Purple, and it snaps in like basically how when you put the lid on, it'll snap in just like that. And I'll choose like the light blue. Okay, so it's snapped in there. Okay, so then it says, now insert the mixer maker between them and see the colors move up the tip in the light up window. When both colors cover the whole mixer marker tip, then it's ready to use. Let me get some paper so that I'll be ready to use it. Okay. Got some paper, and then I'm going to put the pen in here. Oh, and it does light up so you can see it. You have to push it in somewhat firmly, and I'm going to kind of see if you guys can see this. So you can see that the nibs are touching both sides of the marker. I don't know how well you can see that. So basically you can wait until the whole marker is full, which I'm just gonna take it out early. Let's see. And then when it says ready for 2 new colors, aim tip directly into a wastebasket and gently press the end button for disposal. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out first. Even though it's not all the way full, it's okay. That's gonna be just enough for me. Okay, and let's test it out. So obviously if you hold the pen certain ways, like if you hold it on the purple side facing down, you're gonna get more of the purple. If you hold it on the blue side, you're gonna get more blue. But then if you find that happy medium, where here I started on the purple and then I kind of found that happy medium spot where it got both of the colors, then it makes a really pretty blend. And again, you gotta kind of twist it a little to find that spot. With this one, it's a little harder to see because the colors are fairly similar, so there we go. Now I found the spot where you can see both, like the dual tone. Okay, that's awesome. So as you can see, you kind of have to find the spot where it will show the dual tone. You might start out and you get a lot of one color, so just kind of twist your marker. Now I can see it better. Looking up closely, you can probably see it where the color cuts off. That's really cool though. I like that a lot. And obviously if you have you have to use the broad Crayola markers. So these are the larger size Crayola markers, but they just fit right in there. So if you had the pack that has a bunch of different kinds, then you can do so many different color combinations. And then I will just show you here so you can see when you are ready to be done. All you do is you push this and then it will dispose, and it basically pushes the tip out. Just like that. Cool. So obviously you don't want to push the tip out until you're done, because otherwise you're going to have to pick it up and push it back in, and it will probably make a lovely colorful mess on your hands. So I would just be careful with that. But other than that, I mean, you could use this for a really long time. The colors are not as pure as they would be if you use them just straight out of the marker, but it's because you're basically putting the 2 nibs onto the 1 marker. But this is really neat and it's really fun, and I can't wait to do it with my kids because I think that they will find this really exciting. One thing is that I wish it maybe came with a couple more of these clear pens so that you can use more of them at a time without having to dispose. That's my only thought on that. Other than that, I feel like it comes with a good amount of nibs. I mean, that's a lot right there for you to experiment with. But yeah, other than that, just I wish it came. I'm sure you can buy, I'll have to check, and I'm sure you can buy more of these separately. It's also very small too, so I like that it's not this huge apparatus that takes up a ton of space. So that's nice. yeah, so that is the Crayola Marker Mixer. Okay, I got that mixed up. It's called the Crayola Marker Mixer. There we go. I put Crayola Mixer Maker, but you know, you guys know what I mean.